Welcome to the Decade Series by Kinja Dixon. Your countdown begins now.
Who decides if someone is considered royalty or not? And what if that decision doesn't include you? I'm going to share a fact with you that I do not want you to forget for the rest of your existence, no matter who you are or where you are in this world. You are pure royalty. And the reason why is because someone is looking up to you, whether you realize it or not. And every single day, based on your daily action plan, you're either a good example or a not too good example that someone's going to follow. Since we've set a foundation, I'm going to pose another question. Do you look at every single person that you come in contact with like they are royalty? And if you don't, have you ever wondered why? Our humanity. Many of us may have forgotten this, but there was a time where nothing but beautiful, untouched landscapes like this were all throughout our earth, without human domination. We are responsible for the war, hate, rape, slavery, and all the other challenges that our humanity continues to grow through. And what it has led to is a collective mentality of divide and conquer, where values are placed on people depending on their appearance, their bloodlines, or monetary factors. And we're quick to hold hands and say, love thy neighbor, but many of us don't even realize we've been institutionalized to look down on people based on the factors that I just mentioned. A wise person once told me, if you ever look down on someone, that is the direction you're headed in. But over the years, as I've continued to work on my 4 pillars, believe it or not, I have still fell deeply in love with our broken humanity. How much do you really love your neighbor? And is it time for you to scrub some of the residue that our generational baggage may have placed on your back? And if so, what are you willing to do within your hours awake today to increase the grade in your emotional intelligence pillar so that you are no longer walking around with a divisive nature and comfortable with it? The reason why the answer to that question is so important is because each minute of today is going to help you get closer to your next decade.